What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got something very special. This is the ETS titanium intercooler pipe kit, and they are designed to work specifically with the ETS intercooler. But if you're gonna get an ETS intercooler, I would highly consider at least looking at this pipe kit. Now, this is an expensive option, however, it's real titanium. I mean, this entire kit can't weigh more than a few pounds. I mean, maybe 5 pounds or something like that. I'd have to weigh it, but incredibly featherweight. And you do have the option to get this in raw titanium, but why? Because look at this. Look at the heat that they've put into this to get the colors out of that titanium. I mean, this is, when you install a titanium product, this is basically what you want, and it comes out of the box just like that. Now, this particular kit does have the air intake temperature bung welded on it, which I would highly recommend considering, because it's not that much more to have the bung pre-installed. You can always block it off very easily, but if you were ever to run speed density in the future, and you needed that air intake bung, it would be very difficult to weld it onto titanium, where this is done before all of the heat treatment process is done to it. Very smooth bends throughout the entire kit, and then where they do have to do the tighter bends like here, of course you've got pie welds, and what that does, well, it helps the material not, compress or wrinkle or anything, and that just ensures maximum smooth airflow through the pipe. So really well designed, well engineered, well fabricated. It is pure titanium through, even the flange here is pure titanium. You throw a little bit of heat at it and this is what you get, this beautiful, almost rainbow-like effect that just looks unlike anything. It's a way that only like coral can look at the bottom of the ocean in certain light, or some minerals that sparkle in the sun. It's a very cool and unique look, and you can have this in your engine bay. Only problem is it will make everything else in your engine bay not look as cool. This is to be appreciated. This is functional. This is lightweight. It's everything good about aftermarket right here, this entire kit. Oh yeah, and it does come with couplers and T-bolt clamps and stuff like that, but they're just nice couplers and nice T-bolt clamps, like black. That's it. Well, the T-bolt clamps are silver, but the couplers are black. But this is what we should all strive for in automotive aftermarket. It's not cheap. Not super expensive though, surprisingly. Do yourself a favor, at least click on the link, look at it, consider it. It's not that expensive for what it is. This is what you want. Get this right here. Anyway, that's all the time we've got for today, guys. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. We'll see you next time. That's told I can't ramble. But look at this. I gotta go show people.